Hey people, so this is my final video of the day. This is chola bhatura with mutton pizza. There are people like all across. I really don't want to swirl the camera about, but this is how this place looks. See, chola bhatura looks huge and it looks, the pizza is quite decent. And if you were to take a look at it, so each time I make a video, it draws a lot of attention, so I'm a little awkward about that. So that's why I'm not able to. So all the same, this is a short video, and this looks awesome. Can hardly wait to start eating. So, Ayush, you like this place? Little bit? Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.